Look at that. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the best rotisserie chicken ever. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. This is the Ronco Showtime Rotisserie and Barbecue. We have used this unit quite a bit for a bunch of different things. We've used it for shrimp and chicken legs and ribs, but the main thing that we use this for is what you can see here is a chicken rotisserie, and it is absolutely amazing. It makes it probably the best that you've ever had. If you're familiar with the chicken that is so cost effective that you can get from Costco, it's great, but this is 100 times better. The meat is unbelievably juicy, the skin is crispy, and every time it comes out perfect. All right guys, so I'm going to start out just by showing you guys the unit itself. As you can see, just drop this down. This is the grease catch here. This is the rotisserie that the chicken will go on. And these are our heat gloves. And of course you have the timer right there. And it has a quick little guide right here that tells you how long it needs to cook for. So our chicken today is 5 pounds 7 ounces, so that means it's going to need to cook for about an hour and 22 minutes. All right, so next thing is let's get the chicken ready. All right, so it's actually really simple to get the chicken prepped up. Just going to give the chicken a quick rinse. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to tie our chicken up. All right, so the main thing is that you want it to have that crossing on the back there. Now we're going to take some olive oil and just put a little bit over top of it there. And you want to make sure you get every part of it covered with the olive oil. And you can use avocado oil or pretty much anything that you have. I'm just using the extra virgin olive oil because that's what I have in the house right now. And then once you have your chicken all oiled up, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take some parsley. And it does help if you rub it in the oil a little bit. Alright, and then the only other thing that we need to do is put the rotisserie portion on the chicken. And I found it does help a little bit if you kind of squeeze these together a little bit as you're doing it. But what you're basically trying to do is you want to get right into the underside of that meaty part of the breast and have it come completely through the bird. And then you just put the other side on. And there you go. All right, so one of the things that you're going to want to do before you actually put the rotisserie with the chicken in it, I don't know how well you can see that little nook right there, that little channel that the rotisserie goes up into. You just want to make sure that you get some kind of oil or something up in there, and make sure that you do it on both sides, because that's just going to keep it running smooth and well lubricated. All right, once you have your chicken, you just set it inside the unit like that, slide it up in there. You want to make sure that it's in the center, evenly distributed on both sides, because you don't want the weight to be a factor while it's turning. So we're just going to put the front cover on, and like I said, 15 minutes per pound. This is a 5-pound, 7-ounce bird, so we're going to set it to an hour and 22 minutes. Something like that right there. Close to an hour and a half. And I've got it on normal rotation. You can do a pause to sear, but we don't need to do that. Or you can just rotate it here with no heat, but we're just here to cook it. So you can see it started. This one here is a 5-pound, 7-ounce chicken, and it's been cooking for about an hour and 25 minutes. So let's take it out and see how everything looks. All right, guys, so it's really easy to take this out of the unit. You just get your heat-safe gloves. And you literally just pick it up like this, and look at how good that looks. Look at how good that looks. Absolutely amazing. And it's literally that easy. You just take it out, remove the rotisserie unit from it, and it smells amazing. All right, let's check out how good it tastes. All right, so the first thing that we've got to do is we have to cut the binding cord here. So I just take my fork and pull it up and take my knife and cut it. It comes off that easy. And as you cut through it, man, it smells fantastic. But you can see gosh, I'm gonna spill juice all over Dawn's floor, but look at how good that looks. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. It comes apart so easy. Check out that chicken breast. Absolutely unbelievable. This is 100 times better than Costco. It tastes amazing. So here's a small piece of the chicken breast. Oh my gosh. Absolutely juicy, delicious. It melts in your mouth. I mean, that was a full bite and it's gone. Let me show you what some of these chicken pieces look like. So this is the leg and the thigh. Look at how juicy that is, and the skin the skin is just falling off. It's nice and crunchy. The skin is amazing. That is absolutely fantastic. It's got a ton of juice. The parsley and the olive oil that's on the outside just makes the skin amazing. It's literally fall off the bone good. Here's the chicken wing that I just took off, and the meat is just completely falling off the bone. And it is amazing. Oh my gosh, the flavors just come through like crazy. So baking chicken is nice, but a homemade rotisserie chicken is 100 times better. I don't know if you guys have one, but if not, I would highly recommend it. This is probably the best way to have chicken in my opinion, but how do you guys prefer your chicken? Let me know in the comments section below, but I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.